as the sun rises, it brings new hope. Dreams and wishes that have high scopes. A need to touch the bright blue sky. All I think is to fly so high. Sun rays that awaken the sleepy sky, gives warmth to all and brings back life. A new day has arrived and so much to do. It tells to live and never to lose. Mornings are no different for the children of Nagpur city. They get out of bed and then begin the mission of reaching to school on time. The difference here is the journey. Nagpur, the heart of this vast nation, is known for its oranges and its encouragement towards educating the future of the country, the youth. With its beautiful roads, calm environment and pollution-free atmosphere, Nagpur becomes an ideal place for raising up the new generation. Like other cities, Nagpur too has its own share of crowded places. Away from the hustle and bustle of the city, each one desires to indulge himself into a serene and clean environment. But this is only the privilege granted to the little ones of the society. 14th April 2000, a millennium gift to the Nagpurians from the family of Montfort brothers. With 3 teachers and 33 students, Montfort of Orange City began its vision and mission to educate. Today, the tender sapling has matured into a large tree with 135 teachers and 3,750 students, a result of the ardent efforts of the Montfort brothers. The humble building in Shivangao that held the pre-primary classes was inadequate to house the growing confidence the Nagpurians had in Montfort. And so, an additional building had to be constructed at Ashokvan, Wardha Road, Nagpur. This was just the beginning. They that have a vision do not perish. Their heart flows towards it and eyes are focused, striving to achieve the goals set for. The infrastructure of any institution is the index of its fort. One of the most captivating school complexes in the city, the front court of the primary wing, paved with colored tiles, provides space for the morning assembly, open-air activities, programs, and a basketball court for the tiny tots. The corridors of the ground floor with granite flooring gives the ambience an uplift. The academic value of the school gets further enhanced with flex boards that proudly present the academic achievements of Montfort students. The secondary classes are housed in a 3-storied building which has physics, chemistry and biology labs. With the increasing demand in computer education, Montfort comprises of 2 spacious computer labs. The classrooms are well equipped with LCD to enable teaching, which is totally student-oriented, where the teacher is a mentor and guide empowered with technology in the classroom itself. Facilities like LCD teaching or summative assessment system helps the students to prepare themselves for their forthcoming exams by solving these multiple choice question tests. The institution has a sprawling playground with basketball court cum skating ring and a volleyball court that made Montfortians district champions in football and volleyball. Montfort Orange City has a trend of walking an extra mile with a smile, with a strong endeavour to achieve an all-round development in every Montfortian. For a smooth running of an institution and interaction between the authorities and students, a cabinet is a must. A colourful investiture ceremony, but on a serious note of responsibility was held in the primary as well as the secondary school. Education is simply the soul of the society as it passes from one generation to another. In Montfort, we do not just stick to the given curriculum, but we make it a point to improve the standard of education. Education is not merely shaping careers, but also offers a supportive role in generating multifaceted, dynamic and responsible citizens. And we believe in this. Thus, we help students learn through programs like CCE, recently implemented by the CBSE. A science exhibition was arranged that gave the students an opportunity to display their creativity and talents. The efforts put in by Montfort for the development of the students was proved when many students excelled in their academics by scoring above 90% in the board exam. It is said by scholars that education alone cannot build a child's personality. It's the overall development of the mind, body, and soul that make it a person. We at Montfort strongly believe and support this thought. Only believing would not enhance a student's personality. It is the execution of the thought that makes Montfortian different from the crowd. Each festival and important days are celebrated to imbibe in the students moral ethics, patriotism, discipline, and a sense of self-respect and trust. As a result of the encouragement given to the students by Montfort, some of the students have created a niche in various art fields. A program was organized for the students in which they learned to make fruit salad and sandwich with the help of their teachers. If you want to see a child's face lit up with a smile, give him a crayon and you will see one of the most beautiful smiles ever seen. Wishing to see those vibrant smiles more often, we at Montfort regularly organize drawing, poster and painting competitions to enhance the students' imaginative powers. The primary section is monitored under the able guidance of the Vice Principal, Brother Jagan Mohan Reddy. His fondness for the children has led him to successfully cater his services amongst these youngsters. A unique 9-day cultural feast named Mummy, Daddy and Me was organized that brought parents, teachers, students and the authorities closer, where each class got an opportunity to perform in front of their parents. Also during this event, the life of Saint Louis-Marie Grignion de Montfort, the founder, was presented. Creativity knows no bounds, and Montfort always tries to present creativity with a touch of knowledge. Our 2011 year calendar and school decennial magazine Aroma is a result of this thought. The institution caters to every need of the student by conducting parent-teacher meetings, which facilitates better interaction between the parents, teachers and students. We also conduct seminars by eminent counselors, psychologists and educationists who furnish valuable assistance and stir the students to move ahead. and solve the problems of adolescence age. One of the greatest assets of Montfort is its transport system. 45 buses help students from different parts of the city to be lined towards their alma mater comfortably and joyfully. Montfort has always been an epitome of discipline, excellence and competence. To extract the best results is an art, which can only be successfully done by someone who has the ability to look at the world through a wider lens. A leader is the one who deals with hopes and vision. He has the ability to inspire others to dream more, learn more, and do more by his actions. This is how we would describe the leader of Montfort Orange City, Reverend Brother Bala Shauri. Under his vigilant guidance and his innovative ways, Montfort Nagpur is continuously proving to be one of the best educational institutions. He is assisted by the adept hands of the Vice Principal, Brother Jagan Mohan Reddy, and other Montfort brothers. Brother Bala, as he is fondly called by all, regularly has meetings with the students' cabinet to discuss their issues and takes out time to solve their problems. He also interacts with the staff constantly and discusses the development of the students and encourages teachers to give suggestions for the growth of the institution. It is completely impossible for a musician to create music without using musical instruments. In the same way, a leader will be unable to execute his vision without having efficient and hardworking staff. Major management decisions are made by Brother Bala, Brother Jagan Mohan Reddy and Brother Ludramar Reddy in the community zone of the brothers. They come together and discuss various issues and solve problems. The only institution that works is a family. At Montfort, the management and staff are the family, and thus our children make us proud by exhibiting moral values, discipline, excellence and self-responsibility. We desire to make a new world, bring the sky down to the earth, paint it with colors that erase all pains, and make it a place to live with new gains.